Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the class 4 of the parabola, we are going to learn focal distance of a parabola. What is a focal distance? The distance from a point on the parabola, point on the parabola to the focus is called the focal distance. The distance from a point on a parabola to the focus is called the focal distance. Suppose Px1 y1 is the point on the parabola. Consider Px1 y1 is a point on the parabola. So the distance from point P to the focus, that is S. So the distance from a point on the parabola to the focus is called focal distance. So focal distance is SP, right? From this point to focus. The focal distance of the parabola, that is SP. Focal distance is SP. Now you can see in the map that is S is the focus and P is a point on the parabola, that is x1, y1. I have drawn a straight line to the and which is perpendicular to the x-axis, that is Pn, so that it becomes a perpendicular line to the, what is this one, directrix, Pm. Here you can see Pm is equals to Sp. Why? Because if this is a parabola, we know already Sp by Pm is equals to 1. So that Sp is equals to Pm. So we can write focal distance as Sp, that is Pm. Right? Now you can see the distance between P and M is equals to N and Z, because they are parallel lines, parallel to each other, so that in place of Pm I can write Nz. Here A is the middle point, so Nz can be written as Na plus Az. Okay. Now as you can see, the focus is, suppose a comma 0, this is minus a comma 0, so that it is lies on the x-axis. The value of Az becomes a, and Sa, otherwise Na is x1, right? Na is x1, this one is x1, right? And if it lies on the y-axis, the value of Na is becomes y1, so that the value of Na is x1. Substitute this, Na is x1 plus Az is a. This is the focal distance of a parabola. In this way you are going to find out the focal distance. Now I am going to solve one problem on focal distance, then we get clear idea on this one. As you see in the question, find the points on the parabola y square is equals to 8x whose focal distance is 10. Okay, so the given parabola is y square is equals to 8x and whose focal distance is 10. Focal distance is equals to 10, so that the parabola is of this type. This is focus and this is a point P, x1 and y1. Sp is equals to 10. He has given focal distance is 10. We have to find the points on the parabola. We have to find the point coordinates P, x1, y1. So that if you compare this y square is equals to 8x with y square is equals to 4ax. Then you will get the value of 4a as 8. 4a is equals to 8, so that a is equals to 2, right? We already discussed in the focal distance topic. What is the focal distance? x1 plus a is equals to 0, but he has already given x1 plus a is equals to, what is the focal distance? 10, right? We already know the value of a is equals to 2. Substitute plus 2 is equals to 10, x1 is equals to 8, right? So the value of x1 is 8, but we have to find the value of y1. Suppose if this point is lies on the parabola, that is y square is equals to 8x, y square is equals to 8x. The point P lies on x1, y1 lies on the parabola y square is equals to 8x. So that we can write this one as y1 square is equals to 8x1, because the point lies on the parabola. Now we want to find out the value of y1, so that substitute the value of x1 in this equation. Y1 square is equals to 8 into 8. Y1 square is equals to 64. Y1 is equals to plus or minus 8. So the points are 8 comma plus or minus 8. Did you get it? In this way you are going to find out the points on the parabola whenever the focal distance is given. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if anyone didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and give a like to it. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.